What's going on YouTube? Today we're going to be looking at another classic. This is the Reebok Classic Leather Mark in the white, radiant red, and collegiate navy colorway. These retail for $75, which is the price that I copped them for on Reebok's website. So anyways, let's get the box open. So there it is, the Classic Leather Mark. Let's get them both out here. Quick background, if you're wondering why this is called the Classic Leather Mark or what the difference is between this and the regular Classic Leather, essentially this one, the Mark shoe has different materials for the Reebok logo on the side, whereas the regular Classic Leather has leather for the logo just like the rest of the upper. That's basically the only difference. Also, this colorway is actually inspired by the tracksuits that were worn by USA Olympians back in 1996. So pretty cool backstory behind the colorway. Moving on to the materials of the shoe, of course we have a leather upper with synthetic and mesh overlays. At the midsole we have a lightweight EVA foam, and lastly we have a rubber outsole. Onto the features, on the tongue we have the Reebok Classic logo because this is part of their classic line of shoes. Moving down we have your typical flat white laces. At the toe box we have some perforations for breathability. Onto the side we have the Reebok logo in blue and red that looks really good. The red on the logo is made out of a foam material, and the blue part of the logo is a nice mesh. And then of course you have the various surrounding leather overlays. Back at the top, the red lining is a nice towel-like material that feels soft, and it's the same lining that's used in the Club C's I have. At the back of the shoe we have the Reebok logo on a blue tab that really makes it stand out nicely. There's nothing special going on with the EVA foam, it's just a plain white foam that goes through the entirety of the shoe. Lastly we have the gum colored rubber bottom that I really love. We got a very traction heavy pattern going on. It reminds me of the pattern on a boot or a trail shoe. Very interesting. And of course the Reebok logo pressed up nicely at the center. Overall, a super dope white shoe with red and navy accents that really make it stand out. Combine that with the gum colored bottom and throw it onto this classic silhouette, and you got an awesome shoe for the summer. So that's pretty much all you need to know about these shoes. I'm excited to get these on feet, so let's go. To be honest, when I first put these on, they felt pretty uncomfortable. They also felt really snug, just like the Cortezes. I think the reason that they felt uncomfortable is because the foam on the midsole is a lot stiffer than the Cortez. Also, the insole felt stiffer as well. However, after breaking them in, they felt pretty good. I feel like the stiff midsole and insole start to mold to your feet after a while. Also, the stiff foam might make it more durable. I'd say go true to size, but if you like the extra room, to go a half size up. Overall though, I love the shoe, especially the gum color bottoms, and I would definitely recommend these. So that's pretty much going to be it for me guys. Be sure to like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed the content, as it helps out the channel. Got more content coming your way, so stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next video.